Hi everybody, my name is Jen Jones and I'm excited to share with you this new dance, the Four Wanderers. And the story behind this was I decided that it would be fun and a challenge to ask three lovely ladies to give me just 4 steps each. They had no idea what the song was because I hadn't even chosen it yet. I gave them a rhythm, they gave me their steps. I put them together, heard a song later that evening, which paired perfectly to these steps. So here it is. We're doing it to the song, The Wanderer by Dion. The 4 lovely ladies, Adeline Cheng, myself, Jennifer Jones, Rosie Multari, and Georgie Mygrant. It's only 16 counts, 4 walls, 4 lovely ladies. So I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough and then I will demo it for you. Weights on your right. So it's forward, rock forward, recover, coaster, step is the first 4. Forward, back, and coaster, step. The next 4 is walk, walk, mamba to the side and cross over your left foot. Third 4 counts is shuffle and shuffle, ending with a 3/4 walk around over your left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you begin the dance again. So I'm going to do it one more time for you, and I'm going to do it sideways so you can actually see the footwork. So it's forward and back and coaster step, walk, walk, mamba, and shuffle, walk around. 5, 6, 7, 8, dance starts over again. Now with the count. Weights on that right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the demo. Come back and I'll show you the demo with the music.